As a teacher, creating this podcast was a refreshing experience. I chose the topic Buffer the Bodyguard because it's a silent yet powerful concept in both chemistry and life. Using the flipped classroom model, I introduced the topic through this podcast, then followed it up with engaging activities. Students designed posters, performed a role play drama, answered critical thinking questions, and completed worksheets. We even conducted a hands-on experiments to observe buffer action in real time. It was an exciting to see students connect science with creativity and real-life relevance. This journey proved that learning can be fun, meaningful when we try something new.
Do you know who is the soldier of our body? Stay tuned. Once upon a time, everything was working perfectly, cells was happy and the pH was balanced. Oh, what a beautiful day inside me. My around pH is 7.4. Life is good. But peace didn't last long. The trouble was brewing. Ha 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 ha! I am the acetone. I release the HIs and lower the pH. I'm Megadillas. I unleash the hydroxide ion and raise the pH. What has happened to me? I feel weak, dizzy. Help me! Help! Help! Stop! Fear not. Who are you? I am Buffer. You are too late. We are already brought the body with hydrogen ions.
I will absorb them and control the pH from following. Your attack is useless now. I keep the balanced pH. Because it's my duty, I always protecting and always working. And now go from here.
Just like the buffer fought with base and acid, silently but powerfully. And now pH has balanced. Thankful to our silently hero buffer.
I learned that buffers are bodyguards of chemistry. Now I know why blood stays balanced even after soda.
Buffer help our body stay balanced. We did the buffer experiment in class and it was fun.
So, dear students, we will have the question answer session about the drama. Musaddiq, tell me, how did the acetone create the problem in the drama?
Release the hydrogen ions, lower the pH.
Okay, Javera, tell me, what would happen if there were no buffer in our body?
Without the buffer, the pH of our body becomes too acidic or too basic. This cause damage. This cause harmful for cells, damage organs, cause diseases, and even life-threatening.
Oh. So, Rukaya, tell me, you are playing the role of the Bacedone, right? Now tell me about the Bacedone, how it created the problem in the drama.
Bacillus realized hydroxide ions raising the pH caused imbalance, making the body establishing and sick.
Okay, Amna, tell me, how did the buffer restore peace in the human body?
Buffer absorbed the excess hydrogen ions from acetones and denoted hydrogen ions to neutralize the hydroxide ions from bacillus, keeping the pH around 7.4.
Now tell me, what is the role of buffer in the drama?
The buffer acts like a bodyguard that maintains the pH balance inside the body. It neutralizes the extra acid or base to keep the pH balance.
Imagine if buffer was superhero, what its slogan be?
Keeping balance, saving life, silently but powerfully.
Hello, my name is Tabassum Lagari and I am a passionate science teacher in subject chemistry at Government Girls High School Sidawal, located in the city of Sidawal, Sindh, Pakistan. Sidawal is a less developed area where the literacy rate is still growing, and I am proud to say that I studied at the same school where I now teach. I try to teach with all my heart and energy because I believe education can change lives. Last year I was honored to be selected as a winner in UNESCO competition in peer evaluation category, and I am truly grateful to UNESCO and Hyderabad region for that encouragement. It gave me motivation to keep improving and innovating. Thanks to initiatives like last year UNESCO themes on AI and ICT tools, there's now a greater awareness about modern teaching methods across Pakistan. Even at the local level, we are now seeing more educational competitions that highlight teacher excellence. I see this year's competition as another opportunity to show that even with limited resources, great teaching is possible. Thank you for this opportunity to be part of something so inspiring once again. Imagine your body is like a battlefield, acids attacking and bases invading, and silent soldiers standing guard, keeping everything in balance. In this episode, we will uncover what buffers really are, how they work, their types, and how they are secretly saving us. Have you ever wondered how your body stays balanced after eating spicy food and fizzy drinks? Today you will find out it. It's the buffer solution, a silent hero of chemistry that keeps our body's pH stable. But how? Let's explore. A buffer is a chemical substance that resists changes in pH level when small amount of the acid or base is added. It keeps the pH relatively balanced. How are buffers made? They are made of a weak acid and it's a salt, or a weak base and it's a salt. Remember, these salts are formed from the strong acids and bases. How does buffer work? When an acid or base like invaders try to attack our body and change the pH, the buffer jumps in like a superhero. It either absorbs hydrogen ions or releases them to keep things neutral. There are two types of buffer solution, acidic buffer and basic buffer. Acidic buffer is made by mixing a weak acid, acetic acid, and its a salt, sodium acetate, and their pH ranges 3.5 to 6.5. How does it works? When an acid is added, salt neutralizes the hydrogen ions, and when base is added, acid neutralizes with the hydroxyl ion to form water. The result comes pH remains stable. About the basic buffer. Basic buffer are made by mixing a weak base like ammonia and its salt, ammonium chloride, and their pH ranges from 8.0 to 10.5. When acid is added, ammonia forms water and ammonium ion, removing the acid. And when base is added, ammonium ion reacts with the hydroxyl ion to form ammonia and water. Again, pH remains constant. Have you ever wondered, is there neutral buffers too? Yes, they exist. Like the phosphate buffer. It is made by mixing dihydrogen phosphate and hydrogen phosphate, and its pH ranges from 7.2. That's close to the neutral. It's important in biological systems, especially in cell culture media. Our blood contains a carbonic bicarbonate buffer system. Its pH is 7.4, slightly basic. How does buffers fluctuates affects our body? When pH drops too low, leading acidosis, causing fatigue, confusion, coma, or even death. If pH rises too high, leading to alkalosis, a condition causing muscle twitching, nausea, and seizure. So we should be thankful to our bodyguard, the buffer. Buffers are all around us. If we look around, we can find buffer in many things. Buffers are used in kitchen, shampoos, cosmetics, medicines, laboratory experiments to fight harmful pH ranges. So dear students, we discovered today how buffer works, like silent protector inside us, fighting quickly yet powerfully. I have a question for you. What would happen if your body's buffer stopped working? Come up with the suitable answers in the class. Till next time, stay curious. Allah Hafiz.